Hey guys, I'm Jameson with Rogue Engineer, and today we're going to be building a portable festival bar for Wolverine State Brewing Company. Let's get right into it. Okay, so we're taking a break today from working on the house to build a festival bar for my buddy that works at Wolverine Brewing Company in Ann Arbor, Michigan. So it's got to be a modular design. What I've come up with was basically two freestanding columns that will attach with a tabletop in the middle as well as the front, and then the bar top will also be separate, and that'll be set on top to lock everything in place. So let's get started. So I want these columns to actually be have like a slight angle to the front to add a little bit more dimension to the front of the bar and kind of break it up. Since we're doing three different pieces, the middle will be flat and then the two columns will have a slight taper. I think it'll make it look interesting. So this is actually the notch out. I'm gonna cut this notch out here, and that is this is going to be the shelf to hold 3 jockey boxes. And a jockey box is essentially just a cooler with ice in it that the beer flows from the keg through. It cools the beer down, and then it goes through the tap that are in the front of the jockey boxes. So we're going to cut a notch out here. This will be a little shelf to kind of hold pitchers and stuff like that. And then you'll have an opening right here for the tap handles to come through. Okay, so we made this. This is going to be the inside of each of the columns, and basically this is going to be the top or the middle shelf of the column that the jockey boxes will set on. But then I've got to make this other side that will come up and also carry the top across. The side and the front will have to be high enough to where the jockey box will be able to slip underneath of the countertop. So I think we've got about 17 inches is what we needed for these jockey boxes. So just take this height and add 17 inches to it. Okay, so the first thing that we cut out was the middle shelf that's going to hold the jockey boxes. Then I went ahead and assembled, this is the tall side that will go up and also support the tabletop. I've got a rail here to support this shelf, as well as a rail at the bottom to support like a lower shelf that will carry the keg and the tub, the ice tub. And then I've got the inside panel. I dropped this top down about 3/4 of an inch to mate up with the shelf. So this will mate up like that. And then I also went back and I cut a 3/4 inch groove out of this top board and then removed it so that that lower shelf will sit right in there. We'll glue it in place and screw everything down, and that should be good. Then we'll just cut a front panel for it, and that should complete the columns. Okay, so I got the two columns done. I got the fronts on them. I need to add a little bit more support to the inside corners since they don't miter up together very well. I also built this shelf or the middle shelf to connect the two, and I just doubled up the plywood. We've got to carry a pretty heavy cooler with ice in it, and it's surprisingly strong. I can literally put all of my weight on it, and it doesn't seem like it's flexing at all. So I'm pretty happy with the strength of this. Now for this front panel here, I built these blocks out of just 3 pieces of plywood. I'm gonna glue those to the front panel, and then I'm gonna sink this pin into those blocks. So this pin will be sticking out of the block, so the block will be attached to the front panel, and then I'll attach a strap to the inside panel of each column. Then the front panel will set into that strap, just like you would see on a gate. And then I'll do some kind of French cleat thing on the bottom to keep the bottom of that front panel from going in and out. Okay, so for the top, what I did was I basically set this full sheet of plywood up on top of the base, and then I marked out the lines for the outside edge all the way around. And then what I did was I went back and I took some extra scrap plywood and I screwed it to this to double up this front edge to make it a little thicker. I glued it and screwed it to that edge all the way around, just outside of that line that I marked. And then I took a nail and stuck it in that foam board, placed it to where the arc would line up just right. I marked that arc with a pen all the way around, just how I wanted it. And then I came back with a jigsaw and I cut this arc out. Now it's not perfect, so we're gonna go ahead with a belt sander and flush this all up and get it nice and even. But we've still got a little bounce. There's a little wiggle room back here in the back end of this. So I'm gonna stiffen it up with maybe some steel angle iron or possibly just double it up with plywood. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It turned out great. We love the portability of the bar as well as the durability of the project with including that steel and stuff like that. Overall, I think the bar height is just a little bit too high. If I had to do it over again, I would have minimized the space between the keg coupler and the top shelf. as well as the space between the jockey box and the bar to reduce that height as much as possible. So if you're in the Ann Arbor area, make sure you stop by and check out Wolverine State Brewing Company. And until next time, be safe and happy building.